Howdy folks, it's me, Uncle Pete. I abruptly stopped making videos about nine months ago. I thought I would come back here and just let everybody know what's going on at old Uncle Pete's cocktail shop, and let you know what's going to happen probably in the future. Before I get into that, I got a lot of messages on Instagram and here in the comments, and even a Reddit post asking how I was, making sure I was okay, all that, some kind words. I really appreciate everyone who reached out. I thank you for your concern. Everything's fine. Well, not everything. I'm fine. Now, the last video I made 9 months ago was about tomato shrub, and I stand by that. It is delicious. The secret is to use cherry tomatoes that are as ripe as possible, so I'll be definitely doing that again this summer. Now, when I made that video 9 months ago, I was sort of starting to run out of ideas. I had been trying to put up a video every week, and it's sort of a grind. Like, it sort of got to be a little bit too much, and the excitement was sort of wearing off. I'd been doing that for almost 5 years, and that turned out to be an unsustainable schedule. Now, there are a couple other factors as well. In trying to keep up the schedule, I would sometimes find myself drinking at times when I wouldn't normally drink, but I had to get that schedule out, so I would, sit down and have some rum on camera or whatever. I needed to cut back on that. I also felt like I was rushing to get the videos out. I think the quality slipped a bit. Not ideal. Furthermore, I had been using Adobe Premiere to edit the videos, mostly because I've been using Adobe products for 35 years, and that seemed like the easiest way to get started. Unfortunately, Adobe decided to jack up the price of the software. I didn't want to give all the money plus even more that I was making from YouTube over to Adobe. It really is not a lot of money. This channel runs mostly on positive feedback. Speaking of money I make here on YouTube, something happened last week that I did not expect. YouTube told me that they were going to kick me out of the partner program, stop paying me for the videos that people are watching. I have quite a backlog of videos. They said that since I hadn't put out a video in over 6 months, that they were able to just kick me off. I decided that that's not fair, and I didn't want that to happen, so I'm coming back, and I'm making this video to keep the money coming in. And of course, they could still put ads on my old videos. They were just planning to not give me any of the money. So I had been thinking I might come back and make videos again, a little bit more occasionally, perhaps, only about things I was actually a little bit more excited about. And so this seemed like good timing to start now before, all this business with YouTube kicked off. Going forward, the videos will not come out every week. As we know, that's unsustainable. Rather, I think I'll take more time, maybe make a better video, maybe a longer video. Maybe it'll cover more ground, be more entertaining or informative, hopefully. I'm not sure yet, but they will look different because I have to learn a whole new editing software, so, bear with me on that. So I am open to any ideas y'all might have in terms of video ideas, drinks you think I should try, or rums or amaros or anything really. Also, I have not been keeping up on sort of the latest developments in cocktail land, so let me know if there's anything I need to know. In the meantime, stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.